Here are 5 reasons why the Furbo 360 dog camera is a must-have for every pet owner. Number 1 is there is a 360-degree rotating view and auto dog tracking. With Furbo's 360-degree camera, I can always keep an eye on my dog no matter where she goes in the room. It's like having eyes in the back of my head. Number 2 is for treat tossing and entertainment. Furbo isn't just a camera, it's also a treat dispenser. I can toss treats to my dog from anywhere simply using the app. It's a fun way to keep her entertained and happy even when I'm not home. Number 3 is there are advanced alerts for safety. Furbo keeps me informed with real-time barking alerts and home emergency alerts. Whether it's a stranger at the door or my dog barking, I'm always in the loop, which adds an extra layer of security to my home. Number 4 is the easy setup and secure connection. Setting up my Furbo was a breeze. Just plug it in, connect to your Wi-Fi, and you're ready to go. Plus, with bank-level encryption, I know my data and my dog's safety are always protected. Number 5 is with the Doggy Diary feature, you can actually record and save all of your dog's cutest moments, from their morning stretch to their playful antics during the day. It's a great way to stay connected even when I'm away. And a bonus reason, I travel a lot for my work, so being able to access this remotely from literally anywhere in the world is a game changer.